Hey guys, thank you for joining me. Welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today in this video, I'm going to be creating some beautiful, I want to say it was for Valentine's Day, but since this upload is so late, guys, I think I'm just going to maybe just continue to create this project, and maybe I could use it for Mother's Day or maybe for some other special kind of event. I'm actually deciding which one of these vases I'm going to use, and I think it's going to be the square vase. I'm going to be using this red glittered heart ribbon. This is wire ribbon, and I got that from the Dollar Tree last year. I have just a little bit of it left, and I decided I was going to use it in a project for Valentine's Day, but it's so close to Valentine's Day now. This really, it's really not a good idea to start making things for Valentine's Day unless you're really great at crafting very quickly. I'm not. So I'm going to be using this square vase today. I'm going to be using that wired ribbon with the hearts on it. So I'm also going to be using this red diamond wrap. And this is non-adhesive, so I will be using some hot glue to apply it today. I'm just going to fold it over just like the way you see me doing right now. And then I'm going to cut it. And that's how I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that off screen. I'm not going to do that on camera. So I've decided to add these two small square vases that I picked up from the Dollar Tree a while ago, and I'm going to make a set with the three of these. Okay, so I'm going to start by cutting sections of the ribbon down to the size of this vase. So now that that's done, I'm going to allow it to completely dry. And while it's drying, I'm just going to remove the wire edge off of the rest of the ribbon. I'm going to start doing the same thing to the two smaller vases. So now the vases are completely dry and they look really, really nice. So I'm just going to just let you guys see what that looks like up close, and it looks really good. And this is the smaller one, and it has more of a wraparound look where the corners aren't exposed, and I like the way that came out as well. So before I continue, I'm going to cut away any of the extra ribbon that's above the top of the vase or below it. Now I'm going to apply that 3-row diamond wrap, and then I'm going to create a different sort of decoration on the 2 smaller ones. And so now I'm going to do a little bit more decorating on the larger vase. So what I'm going to do is take what's left of the ribbon, and I'm going to cut those glittered hearts out, and I'm going to cut out 8. So now that they're all cut out, I'm going to take a little bit of alcohol on that small piece of paper towel, and I'm going to clean off the glass part of the vase, and then I'm going to use a little bit of my clear gel glue, and I'm going to apply the hearts randomly on the corners of the vase. I really love the idea of using that red ribbon as a decoration for the vase. So I'm just going to light my candles, and I'm going to tell you guys, this came out really, really nice. As you can see, I placed it on a gold charger, and it just looks really, really beautiful together. The red and gold looks absolutely beautiful together. So guys, you let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. And please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. and I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.